1 teaspoon, half teaspoon. So just look the label first. For the liquids and water, we're gonna use the measuring cup. So labels indicated here.
Here is 1 cup and this is 2 cups. In between are half cups imports.
Thirds.
If you're not familiarized with it, you can ask us, huh? Don't be shy. You can ask the teachers.
Okay.
So,
To refresh, I'm going to show you how to measure dry ingredients. So I'll demonstrate how to measure flour. So in our recipe, it is indicated that flour is measured through cups. I'll demonstrate how to measure flour. So grab a measuring cup, fill it with flour, and then scrape it. So this is 1 cup of flour. Okay. So for sugar,